Libya 0.5 million barrels per day. Thailand 0.53 million barrels per day. Ecuador 0.55 million barrels per day. Egypt 0.68 million barrels per day. Argentina 0.71 million barrels per day. Malaysia 0.76 million barrels per day. Azerbaijan 0.84 million barrels per day. Colombia 0.91 million barrels per day. Indonesia 0.95 million barrels per day. Oman 1.02 million barrels per day. India 1.02 million barrels per day. United Kingdom 1.08 million barrels per day. Kazakhstan 1.7 million barrels per day. Algeria 1.7 million barrels per day. Angola 1.8 million barrels per day. Nigeria 1.94 million barrels per day. Qatar 1.99 million barrels per day. Norway 2 million barrels per day. Venezuela 2.36 million barrels per day. Mexico 2.48 million barrels per day. Kuwait 2.99 million barrels per day. Brazil 3.24 million barrels per day. UAE 3.77 million barrels per day. Iran 4.38 million barrels per day. Iraq 4.44 million barrels per day. Canada 4.6 million barrels per day. China 4.91 million barrels per day. Russia 11.26 million barrels per day. KSA 12.4 million barrels per day. USA 14.84 million barrels per day.